Nano Babo Kabalen, welcome to 11th Pampanga. For today's video, we were invited by the 11th Pampanga Furniture and Furnishing Exposition. Dito yan sa may Marquee Mall, Angeles City. So if you notice guys, ito yung sa example sa mga exhibitors natin. I wanna show you more, I wanna tour you kung ano yung mga makikita ninyo happening this week. Samahan niyo po ako, let's go!
We invite you to immerse yourself in the beauty and elegance that define Pampanga's furniture industry as we embark on this remarkable journey into the world of exquisite furniture and furnishings. Welcome to the PFFE and good morning.
This is your 11th year and your second year after pandemic. It just shows how we Kapampangan bounce back after a pandemic. I want to congratulate everybody and welcome po, and hopefully more years to come for this exposition. Maraming salamat po.
Isa sa mga nagpakilala sa Pampanga sa buong mundo ay ang kahusayan natin sa mga paggawa ng mga furnitures, paglilak, pagdukit tawag natin dito. Combining our traditional methods, mga practices to the new innovations na ginagawa ng mga factories ngayon, lalong gumaganda, lalong tumitibay, and at the same time, mas malawak yung mga pwedeng gawin natin. Giraffe lamp stand. So guys, kasama natin ngayon si Sir Paulo Feliciano, current president ng PFIF. Sir, tell us more about PFIF.
So PFIF is a group of furniture manufacturers around Pampanga. Our mandate is to help promote Kapampangan furniture and help furniture manufacturers from Pampanga to transition towards longevity and continuity. We do this every year. This is an exhibition of 12 furniture companies. So it varies from lighting to leather, wood, metal, o iba-iba. May weaving, iba-ibang furniture and furnishing. So kung pupunta ka dito, may mahanap ka for sure sa bahay mo, para sa bahay mo.
Or even your business.
Yes. Noong una, mas maliit pa dito. Pero ngayon, kung makikita nyo, para siyang international show. Kung ganun yung itsura niya. Maganda yung booths. Pinag-plan talaga. To be able to showcase Kapampangan craftsmanship. We are above and beyond our peers in the international community.
I like your words, sir. Above and beyond.
Yes.
That's the good mentality naman in when you're having this kind of business. No? Sir, are you open for new members?
Actually, we are looking for new members. Marami kaming mga benefits. We have a lot of training programs for furniture companies in terms of technical workshop, middle management workshops, shared facility for furniture making. So kunwari, nakulangan ka ng machines or kulangan ka ng tao, pwede kang pumunta sa amin, tutulungan ka namin.
Wow. I also saw some support from the government, sir.
Yes, marami kaming support from government, especially shoutout DTI, DOST. Lagi kaming tinutulungan yan. Binibigyan kami ng support, monetary, technical. Palagi silang very supportive sa amin. This is in Marquee Mall. So this is happening from July 3 to 9 on Sunday. Free of charge, pwede kayong mapadaan, balik-balikan. Marami kayong makikita, promise. Anything for your home, for your office, na that will help you beautify your office or your home.
Alright. Thank you so much, Sir Pao.
Thank you. We're in Pampanga.
Congratulations and good luck.
Subscribe and
follow, like, subscribe.
subscribe.
Everything, do it.
We're in Pampanga.
Thank you, Sir Pao.
Thank you.